Hello everyone. Today's question is 6 divided by 2 divided by 6 divided by 2. Let's solve it. 6 divided by 2 is 3 divided by 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. This is the answer, but this is the wrong answer. Now, how do we actually solve questions like this? Let's write the question out one more time. 6 divided by 2 divided by 6 divided by 2. First, we'll write the first number exactly as it is, the number 6. We'll change the division to multiplication, and whatever number comes next will take its reciprocal, meaning 1 divided by 2. Division becomes multiplication, 6 becomes 1 over 6, division becomes multiplication, and 2 becomes 1 divided by 2. The 6 in the numerator cancels out with the 6 in the denominator, so it's 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which is 1 over 4. This is our final answer.